In this Wix website tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change site currency. So let's jump right into this video now without wasting any seconds. So I'll just select this website. So I'll show you on this website, and now we're gonna have to go here to settings. And then here we'd have to go to payments. We can here and accept payments, and what we also have here, we have the general, communication, and then advanced, right? So here we can choose the payments, but that's not where we have to go. We have the checkout, okay, and also here we also have here we have taxes. Okay, but you may ask, where do we have to go? Well, you're gonna have to go here to language and region, and then here we have currency, right? So here we're gonna have can change actually the currency to United States currency. So US to US dollar. Okay, I'm gonna select US dollar, and now I have to save from here. So here I'll click on save. Now I save this, and now this is the currency. I can click on language and region, and also you can click on here on region format and currency, but also you can change the region format. You can say this change the site language, which is pretty cool. You can also change the time zone and the account language. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful on Wix tutorial. Thanks for watching and take care.